Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a DIY manicure using press-on nails. I decided to lay a towel down because, whenever you're working with glitter, it can get really messy. So I decided to lay a towel down, and I'm just starting with one nail done already, and I'm sizing each nail to my finger. I decided to use the Kiss Maximum Speed glue to glue my press-ons onto my real nails. Once my nails were all glued on, I used Hard as Nails Xtreme Wear by Hansen. It's a clear nail polish, and I used it as a base coat for my glitter. After about 10 seconds of letting the top coat dry, I applied the glitter, and it actually came in a set I got off Amazon, so I'll link it in the description below. Basically, the way that I'm applying the glitter is I'm literally just sticking my finger in the tube, and then I just pull it out and do the next finger. Y'all, this is where it gets messy. You guys are gonna see this towel is gonna have glitter all over it. Sometimes you could dip your finger in and not get your entire nail in there, so basically I'll just put my fingers back in there and get the whole nail. Now I'm just getting rid of the excess glitter. Obviously it's gonna have texture because of the glitter that I'm using, but I'm trying to just get rid of the excess glitter and then kind of flatten it. So I just use my fingers to just brush off the glitter. If you want, you can use a eyeshadow brush, kind of similar to the one that I'm using here. And I kind of just flatten out the glitter, get rid of the excess glitter, and just get it all ready for the next coat, basically. Now I'm just repeating everything I just did. So I'm gonna do the clear coat, and then I'm gonna do the glitter, and then I'm gonna take off the excess glitter, and then I'm gonna do a clear coat. And that's pretty much it. So once I'm done with everything, I like to use a fan brush to get rid of the glitter around my nails, just because I feel like it's easier to brush off the glitter with a fan brush than any other. I don't even know how I figured that out, but it works. And I don't even think I've ever used this fan brush before, but basically I just use it to get rid of the glitter around my nail, and then that's pretty much the finished look. I really hope you guys liked this video. I've never really done a video like this before, so I decided to do something new because I do my own nails every once in a while. I'm a college student, so I'm really not trying to pay to get my nails done every 2 weeks, but I still want them done every 2 weeks, if you know what I'm saying. So anyways, like, comment, subscribe, comment video ideas, any other things you want to see from me on my channel, and I hope you guys really liked it. Please press the thumbs up. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.